tiny little one.
Tiny?
Tiny.
I see the rod bent over.
Yeah, he's little.
See little?
Oh
no. Is this the biggest of the day?
Huh?
This isn't the big one of the day, is it?
No. Little guy.
Hold him up and see him. Oh. Yeah.
Little guy.
Let me get it. Oh. And there he goes.